This is a description of a new feature I've just added to the Scripture Chaser. How often have you wanted to include a quote from Joseph Smith or other early church leader in your essay or social media post only to find that you don't have it available, don't have the source, or don't know the exact wording? I've added a document and a new menu item. Look under Reformatted Scriptures on the main menu, for an item called Speeches Writings. When you click on this, it opens a new web page in a separate browser window. This is a local HTML file. The first thing you see is a menu with the following topics: Joseph Smith History, versions of the first vision and accounts of the restoration of priesthood, Oliver Cowdery, letters and speeches, Joseph's letter to his uncle Silas, when Joseph Smith had a vision of Heavenly Mother, additional revelations, a few critical revelations not included in the D&C, acceptance of the Kirtland House, with additions which were removed by Brigham Young, Sidney Rigdon's speeches and other events at Far West, Missouri. What we have available: Letter to the Church from Liberty Jail, Sections 121, 122, 123 plus omitted material, Joseph Smith's Discourses on Keys, selected discourses on this topic, the Wentworth Letter, the original, unaltered Articles of Faith, Teachings of the Prophet Joseph Smith, text of the book, Words of Joseph Smith, text of the out-of-print book, the King Follett Discourse, amalgamation of all four versions of this discourse, Joseph Smith's Sermon on the Plurality of Gods, the complete sermon, Joseph Smith's last three dreams. I will probably add more topics, later, as I find them. When you click on any of the headings, subheaders are shown. This particular example shows the expansion of all the headings under Joseph Smith History. When you keep clicking, eventually you drill down to the actual article or speech. You can search this web page, just like you can search any other web page. Use Ctrl F to search, and F3 to continue to search. When the word is found, the web page automatically opens to that spot. Everything is stored in a single web page, so you don't have to be concerned about navigating to different web pages. If you prefer, this web page is also searchable using the same search commands that you use to search the Scriptures. You can access it from the new top-level menu item, Speeches and History. The same web page appears in its own window, which you can search using the database queries, or search like any other browser. Suppose you want to search for the exact phrase calling an election. Enter this phrase in the search box, making sure to enclose it in quotes, then click the search button or press enter. You will then see every paragraph where this phrase appears. It will be highlighted in red. You will only see this pop-up menu if you have done a search first. You can then scroll through the results. If you want to see the entire speech or article in which a paragraph appears, select the paragraph. Right-click on it, and select Show Full Article. Then, the full article will be shown, however long or short it is. To return to the full listing of all speeches and articles, click Clear Search. To close this dialog and return to the main Scripture Chaser window, click OK, Cancel, or press Ctrl W.